Ready to ditch that old, maybe not so flattering photo and give your Kvcore profile a fresh, professional upgrade. Alright, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Kvcore account. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of your dashboard. See that icon? Usually a silhouette or your current photo. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select My Profile. This will take you directly to your profile settings page where you can make edits. On your profile page, hover your mouse over your current profile picture. You should see an edit button appear. Click that button to get started. Clicking edit will open a pop-up window that allows you to upload a new photo. This window will usually say change profile photo at the top. Click the upload photo button. This will open your computer's file explorer, allowing you to browse for the image you want to use. Navigate to the folder where your new headshot is saved. Select the image and click open. Make sure the photo is a professional headshot. This is often the first impression clients will have of you. After you've uploaded the image, Kvcore will likely give you the option to crop it. Use the cropping tool to center your face and make sure the image looks good within the frame. Once you're happy with the cropping, click the Save button within the cropping tool. And there you have it. Your new profile picture is now live on Kvcore. Take a moment to refresh the page to ensure the change has taken effect. This simple update can really boost your brand.